Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find the amount of time our Android smartphone has been running since it was last restarted. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the settings and just scroll down below. Now you'll see here about phone, just click on it. Now just click on this status information. Now you will see here uptime. So this uptime is the amount of time your Android smartphone has been running since it was last restarted. So in my case, you can see here it's 80 hours 2 minutes, and this is a respective second which is running right now. So the timing may be different on different Android devices depending upon how long your Android smartphone has been running since it was last restarted. Using this method, you can easily find out the amount of time an Android smartphone has been running since it was last restarted very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.